Below the front of the driver's seat, there's a power fuse box. Remove the plastic cap. Insert the positive pole of the power cord. Front button mounted on control panel. Remove the reserved blank button. Installing front button. The front button has 2 additional wires. The separate black wire is the ground wire. Connect ground wire here. The red wire is the backlit light wire. This wire is the wire that makes the pin light come on when the little white button is pressed. Red backlight wire connects this green wire. If necessary, please use the car electric pen test to find. The wire color may be different depending on the vehicle production area. After the connection is complete, pull the wire out from this position. Follow the rubber strip to the tailgate. Pause here. There is a yellow wire in the power harness central control wire. The yellow wire goes down here. Wear out in this position. Disassemble the plastic plate on the back. Connect the yellow wire to this wire. This central control line can be found using a car electric pen test. Central control line, press the unlock button and the light of the electric pen will light up once. Press the unlock button once, the pen light will light up once. Yellow wire to connect this wire. The wire harness then goes from the gap in the roof to the inside of the tailgate. Harness gets here. Then enter the inside of the tailgate from the rubber tube. Install electric suction lock. T-connector. Install dedicated lower bracket. Both left and right need to be replaced. Install special tailgate brake. Use special screws to fix. Install the drive support rod hole line in the direction of the arrow. Install the drive support rod hole line in the direction of the arrow. Hole line chart. Connect to the ECU according to the corresponding color. The purple wire power wire is connected last.